Poor baby girl has hiccups. Bless you. Otherwise feeling pretty good after almost an hour on mommy, huh? That was good time on the boob, yes. Hi world. Hi world. These hiccups are something else though, aren't they? They shake your whole little body. Poor baby. Yeah? Hi. Can you show people how you find your hands? Can you suck your thumb? Not right now? I'm thinking about you, how you want more boob time. Hard to believe, but I think that's what you're thinking about. Shall we try that? She says, yes please, mommy. I always want more boob. Is that a cure for hiccups? Should we try that? Okay, say bye-bye. That's something people don't get to see. Say bye-bye. Nom 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 nom. Bye-bye.